Welcome to the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel. Today we have a used catalytic converter 964-24020. Auto Catalyst Market. Sell and buy catalytic converter at real prices. The catalytic converter with a monolith made of ceramics 96424020 is installed on the fuel engine cars Chevrolet Aveo 1.4i and Chevrolet Sonic 2002 to 2008 years of manufacture and others. It is located at the bottom of the exhaust system and consists of a case made of heat-resistant steel containing chrome. There is a ceramic monolith inside covered with platinum group metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium. The weight of the ceramic in this particular catalytic converter is 780 grams. Exhausted fumes pass through a hot catalytic converter honeycomb coated with a platinum group of metals. By reacting with them, exhaust fumes are cleaned of harmful impurities and become safer for nature and humans. Also, there is a sill in between the module and the case made of heat-resistant batt that compensates the heating and the expansion of the monolith. Over time, the question of how to sell the old catalytic converter and what is the current price for its scrap arises. There are specialized companies that can assist you in building the price in order to purchase your catalytic converter. To hand over a scrap catalytic converter, you will need the serial number indicated on the metallic case. If there is no number or it is damaged, the price of the catalytic converter is estimated at the collection point using the specific spectral analysis. It defines the number of precious metals and helps you comprise the current price to sell the catalytic converter at. The price of the used catalytic converters 96424020 for Chevrolet Aveo 1.4i and Chevrolet Sonic on October 16, 2021 was $77.34. You can find a detailed description of this catalytic converter, its price, and characteristic following the link in the description of this video. It's important to understand that the price of the converter depends on the amount of precious metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, as well as their value on the London Metal Exchange. Also, the price depends on the technical characteristics, the catalytic converter's condition, the life cycle, the presence of any damages, the petrol, the year of manufacture. To choose the company that will accept your used catalytic converter, visit this link, autocatalyst.market.com. This service helps you find out the current price of the scrap the catalytic converter you want to sell. The database of our service contains data on tens of thousands of catalytic converters, as this is the most complete database in the world. If this video was helpful, please support us with your like. We welcome your comments. Subscribe to the Auto Catalyst Market channel. Bye!